Take a really big, deep breath in. Allow that to move through your body. We're also matching colours. Take a big breath and let that decompress through your back. Take another and let it sink further down. Breathe in. Take a nice big breath. It's really gentle through here, letting it go. Let that go. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to have some joint play. Just going to have a feel of this area. There's no adjustments yet. Just want to feel where can I find ease in your system here. Because I always find this area of yours does need to adjust. And it does need to release the pressure, but I always find that it's hard to get the ease, so just give me some time. Please lay on this side. You're going to keep working on the area out just how your body likes to be adjusted there. Gently to the other side.
So I've been feeling when I shake my head like a no shake, or I move my head to the side, I can feel that almost like a referred pressure behind my upper teeth. And it feels like it's coming from my sphenoid or like the palatine bones. It just feels like it's behind here, like there's a twist or something. Because when I go like that, it's all behind the teeth. So it feels like it's some of the joints above the teeth.
Open up your mouth. My hands are clean. I'll just hold this pressure point of this sphenoid. If it's too much or you want me to stop, you just put your hand up. Good. Please sit up, facing this left side. Slide forward so your feet can get onto the floor. Oh my gosh, I can feel that just melting.
Ah, thanks. Instantly clearer. Breathe in. Let it go. Let it go. Another breath. All the way out. Face me this side. Come on to this shoulder, and then we're going to move this one slightly down to open up space. Just gonna feel here. Other side. One more. And on your back.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's just nothing like that. It just opens up everything, especially when I'm so rounded forward from just working. It just opens everything up in my neck. Thank you. Thanks. I'm just so grateful that I can pack my little chiropractor in my pocket, because this has been one of the most profound things in my life, getting these adjustments regularly, feeling how much more alive I feel and reconnected to everything has been such a game changer for me. And even if I wasn't a chiropractor, I would be getting chiropractic care for the rest of my life, multiple times a week, because it just is my number one foundation tool in my toolbox. Do so many other things for my health, but this is by far just my personal favorite number one. And yes, I'm biased, but even if I wasn't a chiro, every time I just feel so amazing. So thank you so much, Lyd. It's amazing.